Let's make fire in 2 minutes without any simulation in Blender.
Before making fire without simulation, I downloaded a half-burnt stick from Blender Kit and imported it into Blender to create a campfire. Now go to Top View, select the stick, press Shift+D to duplicate it, and arrange the sticks like a campfire. Press Shift+A, add a plane, and scale it to create the ground. Okay, my campfire setup is done. Now I need to create the fire. Go to Render Settings, change the render engine to Cycles, and set the device to GPU Compute, if you have a GPU. Switch to Rendered View. To create the fire, I downloaded some fire video footage from Google. If you want it, the links are in the description. Now press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and add a plane. Rotate it along the X-axis. Go to the shader editor and add a new material to the plane. Add an image texture node and connect it to the base color. Then import the fire video. Set the frames to 100, enable cyclic, and turn on auto refresh. Duplicate the image texture node using Shift+D and connect it to alpha. Duplicate it again and connect it to emission. Increase the emission strength to make the fire brighter. Scale it properly and adjust it to make the fire look better. Now duplicate the fire plane and rotate it to create a 3D look. Duplicate another time. Finally, reduce the world surface strength to make the fire more visible. Now your fire is ready.